Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen problem in Chrome browser. So friends, if you are facing black screen problem on your Chrome browser, so to fix it there is simple and easy method. Firstly click on these three dots, then click on settings. Now scroll down and click on advanced. Again scroll down and turn off hardware acceleration when available. So you need to turn off and click on relaunch. And friends, using this method still you are facing error on your Chrome browser, so you need to try disable some extension on your PC. So click on this three dot and hover cursor to more tools, then extension. So click on extensions. Now disable one by one all extension and check this error is solved or not. Like firstly you need to disable this first extension and now check. So hopefully friends, using this method black screen problem will be fixed. And still you are facing this black screen problem, so you need to uninstall Chrome browser from your PC and after that reinstall. So hopefully friends, this error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for latest update and please comment this video work for you or not.